Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In previous few videos, we have discussed about Adani Enterprises, where we currently see a ascending triangle pattern. We have discussed about SBIN and Bharti Airtel, where we currently see a inverted head and shoulder pattern, and we see a double bottom pattern in ITC. The reason why I'm not showing all these patterns on the chart is because I want you to see and analyze those patterns clearly, friends. Coming to today's video, we are going to discuss about one stock for buy and one stock for sell for tomorrow's trading session, that is the 20th of March. And I'm going to also show you a few things on Nifty and Banknifty, friends. Coming to Nifty, friends, we are kind of bullish on Nifty now. For simple reasons, it is breaking, or it is kind of giving breakouts, and it is giving a retest and moving upwards. It is forming a higher highs and higher lows is what it looks like. So here, friends, now we see a breakout here, a big breakout. This is a big breakout followed by a retest and upward momentum that we could see in Nifty. So what's next? See, if I'm drawing a Fibo from the recent top, which is somewhere here, okay, to the bottom, what do we see? We see that it is, see, from the top to bottom, then we may select to sell if it is hovering at this level for some time and giving a breakout here. Then you can see these kind of candles forming in green color, okay, these candles. So that's when you'll see it going towards this level. If it hovers here for some time and then moves, friends, that's only when we can select it for buy there. But for now, we are bullish on Nifty. Coming to case where we will become bearish. Now see, look at this trend line carefully, friends. This trend line was broken here and there is a retracement. Now this slow movement of it, if it continues till 38.2 levels, then we can expect some kind of bearishness. So we will act smart there. What we'll do is we'll create a trend line like this. And if in case it is hitting that trend line and facing rejection, that's when we can create sell positions. All we'll do is we'll wait for this trend line to completely break, sustain there, and wait for a retest. At that moment, you'll also see a kind of a double top pattern there and a fall. In that case, your target number 1 will be here, target number 2, and final target would be here, friend. That's how we can trade on Nifty, just in case you see some bearishness. However, I personally am bullish on Nifty and Banknifty both. Coming to Banknifty, it is a little more interesting here. See, in Banknifty, we see a pattern. Now I want you to comment the name of this particular pattern. This pattern has happened on Banknifty, and eventually there is also a kind of a breakout. Now, if it retests till here, that's fine, and then it can continue its momentum upwards. Now, if we analyze the same thing with the help of our favorite tool Fibo, from the recent top, which is here, to the recent bottom, which is here, we see that it is in the verge of going to this level, which is 38.2 levels. Now, what has coincidentally happened is this particular level is also a round level, which is 40,000, friends. So from 834, it can easily go to 40,000, which is about 170-80 points, okay, which is easily possible. What is after that? Again, the same story, friends. See, these candles that you see here, fast kind of momentum candles. So similar candles can be observed here also. We have seen that kind of behavior already. Now, if the same behavior continues, you will see it going till this area, 40,600. I'm talking about 700 to 800 points upwards from here, friends. So this is quite possible in 1 to 2 days in Banknifty. Now thinking about the bad also, what is important is we have to break this trend line. Only then is when we will become bearish on Banknifty. Once this trend line is broken somewhere probably here, then you can expect targets like target 1 here, target 2 here, and target 3 here. Personally, I don't think this will happen, but just to keep this handy is what I am discussing this scenario. Most probably you can see this and this target in a day or two, friends. That's what we have to say about Nifty and Banknifty. And in the comments, please make sure that you mention Bank Nifty followed by the name of the pattern so that I get a clear understanding as to why and how much are you people understanding the content that I am creating. More importantly, also comment yes if you are able to see the patterns like ascending triangle pattern in Adani ENT and inverted head and shoulders in Bharti Airtel and SBIN, and a double top or a double bottom pattern in ITC, which we just mentioned some time back. Coming to the buy stock for the day, we are selecting Titan for buy. Reason number one, friends. See, this is your breakout followed by retest. Okay, this was your breakout here and a retest here. Reason number two, if I draw a Fibo from recent bottom to the top, okay, you have seen it has taken rejection exactly at 23.6 and it is continuing its journey upwards. So that very much means that the stock is attempting to go up. Reason number three, now look at the trend. What is the trend? Do you see it is in downtrend or in uptrend? That is your reason number three. So with these three reasons is what we are selecting Titan for a buy. Coming to the sell stock for the day, we are choosing Baj Finance as sell stock for the day. I'm going to give you reasons for that also. Reason number one, what is the name of this pattern, friends? Yes, this is the pattern. Then look at this breakdown, friends. Reason number two is this is your breakdown followed by a retest here. So this is your reason number two for which you can go ahead and sell the stock. Reason number three, if I'm drawing a Fibo from the recent top, which is here, till the recent bottom, which is here, you can see it has taken rejection exactly at the 23.6 levels here and continued its journey downwards. Till then it was in making a higher high and a higher low. After that it started making lower high and lower low. Okay, so there is a retest situation here at this particular level. If you watch very closely on a smaller time frame, you'll also see a kind of a double top pattern. Now those of us who want to play very safe, we can wait for this trend line to break. This trend line, once it's broken, is when you can create a sell position in Baj Finance, friends. Also, friends, in the previous video I told you that we should be buying Bank Nifty and selling Nifty. If you look closely here, friends, you would see that Bank Nifty has moved about 1.19% upwards and Nifty has moved only 0.67% upwards, which means if someone would have sold Nifty at this area and till here, okay, would have made more money when compared to selling Bank Nifty from here to here. And if someone would have bought Bank Nifty at this area and sold here, he would have made more money when compared to buying Nifty at this area and sold it here. That is what we mean by sell, or that is what we mean by saying Bank Nifty is stronger than Nifty. That doesn't mean that at 9 o'clock, as soon as market opens, you'll be buying Bank Nifty and selling Nifty. That's not what it means, friends. We are showing or relating to the strength of Nifty when compared to Bank Nifty there. I hope I made it very clear. That's all we have for today, and wish you a profitable tomorrow. If you are liking the video, please hit that like button. Also, share it with your friends, family members, basically anyone who is looking forward to make money from Indian stocks. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow, friends.